Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. Another one don't share again. No, my people. Hey, this story where I bring come for una. So this story na very shocking story. This man wey una dey see so na very na old man. He age supposed to be 80 something years old. My people, things dey happen for inside this Nigeria. Nigeria get Nigeria, Ugboko for that matter. Hey, I hail una Ugboko people. My people, this Ejima wey una dey see so, or Papi wey una dey see so, he just dey land all the way from Kaduna airport through a bugede. A lot of things dey happen, my people. Early this morning, they see this old man for the front of their house. They come dey ask the man say where you from dey come. Na him Papilo come tell dem say him dey come from meeting. They come ask am say which meeting. He say him just land for here, say if fuel finish he no come know where him dey go, but him know where him dey. Na dem come say where him dey, my people. Wahala be like bicycle. Epa dey talk am say him dey Ugboko. Ugboko na one village for inside Edo State. But this man for here so, this place where he sit down put na Benin na him dey. But a pastor we come surprise say Epa dey talk say him dey inside Ugboko. He even talk one street, say see where he dey for there. Na people come begin dey holler say true true this man him upstairs dey okay o, but him really dey come from meeting because he no wear cloth, he no wear shoe, nothing. Na only this small white knicker na him dey this Ejima waist. Where you from dey come? He say make dem no ask am. He say him fuel finish. You see the way God take dey catch some people. You see the way God take dey catch all these senior daddies and senior mummies in the night. This man dey speak Benin. I just dey talk because of the unknown speaking Benin people, make dem for understand wetin dey happen for here. Because a lot of people come dey talk say una go surprise say Ejima upstairs no dey okay. So now people come say Ejima never old reach wey upstairs no go dey okay. You understand? But according to wetin Ejima dey talk for here, he dey talk sense. That is the way he take dey talk really show say him dey okay. You understand, my people? So I come shock when this man people come dey ask am say where you know say you dey, so you say you dey Ugboko. Ugboko na very far away for inside Edo State. Na one village for inside Edo State. Ugboko people, I say I dey always dey hail una. You understand? Una dey always dey represent well. No be all Ugboko, my people. Abeg, if you are just watching for the first time, you are welcome to this wonderful platform. Please, after watching, on your notification bell and help me to share this video. Leave comments for me in the comment section. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome, and to my returnees, I so much appreciate you guys so much. My people, as I earlier dey talk so, this old papa wey una see so, this old papilo wey una see so, people come dey question am say wetin be your own name. The man come still make sure in your name because a lot of people say maybe Ejima head no dey house again, so na make him dey talk anyhow. Na people come talk say no, and I go leave the audio make una lis ten to am, but na only people wey dey hear Benin na go quick and that na go enjoy the movie, the video pass, my people. So as they come dey ask dem where you from dey come, na dem wan come talk am say see where him for dey come, see where him dey go. You understand? But no more fuel again for inside the motor wey him carry go. Na him come take land for here. My people, una know say this kind thing na the one wey dem for dey give Papilo hand na be this one. You understand? So na so I say the matter reach, my people. Now I come say okay, make I carry am come make we come discuss and see wetin dey trend for social media. Say almost 80 something years old, as he old reach, he still dey get wings to still take dey go coven, go still dey go dey represent when all his children for here they suffer. My people, the matter shock me because they come dey ask this old man different question, and the man dey stand e dey answer am well well. But I surprise say when some people come dey talk say they believe say maybe the man no dey okay, so na im make a lot of people come dey talk about for me the man dey okay. Okay my people, una see another picture wey I put so una know, una wey come from Nigeria, una know wetin this picture mean and this bird mean, una understand. A lot of Nigerians no dey use eye take dey see this thing because of wetin e dey represent. This man wey una dey see so, e catch this sugu for inside im own house, so he say he wan come turn am to RIP because once this kind of thing dey represent for house, a lot of people dey always dey fear, you understand, say see wetin dey happen. Okay my people, na wetin sup na be that one, and the thing come tire me say wetin that kind thing dey. So na so we see the matter very you understand.
Oh, why me kede?
They could have waje.
It do not go.
It do not go.
Yes. Wow. It do not go. You see,
okay, according to Papilo for here now.
Why me tell not here? Oh, what am I going? Never can me either. They can record it, they can record it.
But me, I suppose
Odoku.
They can attend you now.
May God protect us from all these bad vibes.
But why wait till you?
So it's like
They're not you went with that one.
They go meeting. If we come finish at the end.
we're telling you the one.
What can I be there? No, I'm not your boy now.
Wait for the
One more time.
One more time. Go ahead. Oh, why me kede?
They could have waje.
It do not go.
It do not go. It do.
Yes.
Wow.
It do not go. You see,
If we are what?
it's all over.
We follow back here. Why me tell not here?
Oh,
what am I going? Never can me either.
okay. Oh, what part of it?
They can record it, they can record it.
Odoku medala.
Odoku.
It's coming from a mission.
Odoku ni they can attend you now. Oh, why wait till you?
So it's like
They're not you went with that one.
we're telling you the one.
What can I be there? No, I'm not your boy now.
It's like they break.
Oh, we are mine about you, but you make your man you.
He's fly, you know, say people go if you know waka quick,
Baba.
you just
break up.
Baba Domo.
I'm not a breaker.
Where when I went and I am me allowed down me now. Mama, when and Mam, we are able to make Mama, no about him.
What was it? Samuel, Mr. Samuel.
Some other what you do now.
Yes.
Where do I now?
I do that.
What you do?
Udu za wajina. Udu za wajina. There were who do because who do za.
Iduza ya. Iduza idu eh.
Baba, no bagana. Obi gboko wa kia.
Obi gboko yi.
Okay, gboko wa ga yebo no de na de. Okwa na e to wa je na o. O e to wa je na.
Gboko ni o ma je na.
Oh, e gboko. Pada gboko. E to wa je na. De no anywhere ade do na.
Gboko ni o me je na. Gboko ni. Why ajado? Mama gboko ni o we.
Baba. Eba imo ni ayo ba kan we. Upoko ke ade diana. De me na me na ka bibo he. Ni ado rescue we. Ko yan agbo ne baba ni agbo ne. Wo he baba. Bo wa ku boko ogo pana. Amayare. Why you say man? They no see go there.
On the journey. Yeah. So they can't break up. He not know where want to go again.
Why they go? Why way?
They lock it.
They don't go when I come.
Iwe ti de ime ko duku de.
They came.
Okay, o ko dohu. Idu wa ga here. Wapa.
Waiting for.
Ime cross again ma. You are crossing. Wait the other side of this place.
They fly. Because this is spiritual things.
Don't get happy now.
So when na spiritual things, he's flying. So they can't break him. Now the wait for night enjoy this.
Apa we wa ke de na de nya ga wa. Ai na ga na ta e ko se mi ro na e para mai kana. Baba wa te we na no boko na anja te boko de do ni e.
A Patrick anyway.
Patrick.
Yes.
Ere mode. So that you guys boko. Na me can no e. Patrick ere mode.
Yes.
Okay. If ya ri ru boko abi ya so de do ma.
So that they are there they can have it.
Dunia je boko.
You don't remember why.
Duwe. Wa o peto gwa wa na be na kan agbalo wa ni e. My pet. Okay. Domu. Galia.
Today, England will beat Italy.
England never fought match for.
I've said it again. That is the work of a prophet.
I don't know what
You keep saying what God is saying.
you go so can you go pa
You hear what I said?
Aye, Baba.
I said England.
Me say England.
I'm saying it on YouTube.